Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 4 tumbling tower block DIYs, and for this video I used these 72 block packs and I used 5 of them in total. And if you're going to use the smaller packs, I would say get 10. So I'm going to use the Dollar Tree super glue wood glue to glue it all together. And you just put 4 in a row on their side and then lay them out in a brick pattern. Like this, kind of like a pyramid shape. And then just make the same pattern on the other side. That one was bent. So they're not all even or the same size, so just have to switch them out if they're a bit too bent or they're not cut properly. And for this one, I didn't put the row of 1 on it. So I make 2 of each of these. And then you just make sure you pick the side that hasn't got any glue on it. And then I just glue them together in a square. And I painted all the DIYs in this video with the celery Waverly chalk paint, and then I dry brushed them with the ivory Waverly chalk paint. And I just made this into a little planter. You could put like a little thing inside to hold stuff, but I didn't bother. And for the next one, I just made 3 of the same shape as the first DIY, and then I'm just putting 3 blocks in the middle of 2 of the layers and stacking them up. And you could make more of these and stack them higher if you wanted. And I just painted it again with the celery and the ivory Waverly chalk paint. And then I just put a little succulent from Dollar Tree on top, but you could put candle on top of this. And of course you could color these any color you like, or you could just stain them with some wood stain. Let me know which one of these DIYs is your favourite in the comments. And for this one, I laid the blocks out. I was going to call them bricks there. The blocks out like this. The middle part is 12 across and then 4 high, and then I put a row of 4 on each end. And off camera I just glue it all together with the super glue wood glue, and then I start stacking up each side like I did in the first DIY, the brick pattern. And I just repeat that for the other 2 sides. And I just make a hanger for the back using some twine and some hot glue, and I just glue a popsicle stick to keep the twine in place. And I painted it off camera, and then I have some greenery from Dollar Tree, so I just cut off a couple of leaves and I just hot glued them down in place. These are really easy DIYs that anyone can do. And of course you could put a mirror in here, you could put any kind of picture you want. And I'd planned to put some fern leaves inside this, but they were too long, so I settled for these leaves. But I think it still turned out pretty. But let me know, what would you do? What would you put inside it? What colours would you use? And I made the same thing again, this from the previous DIY, the picture frame, and then I just turned it over. And you could leave it like this and make it a tray, but I wanted to do the same pattern again on the other side. Okay, I'm still making it into a tray, but I wanted to put the extra blocks on the top, and I just repeated it on each side, and then I painted it with the same celery and Waverly chalk paint, and then I just decorated it with some plants and a candle holder. And honestly, these DIYs were quite quick and easy to make. Not like my usual Tumbling Tower block DIYs, but I think it turned out really pretty, and I love all the green colours together. But I'd love to know what you think, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.